What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this gorgeous little portable travel hand steamer by Beautural. So let's open it up and see what's in the package. There we go. It comes with its very own travel case, which is pretty cool because the whole intention of this is it's portable so that you can travel with it. That is a very good thing. Instruction manuals, and here is the portable steamer. And there we go. So one of the cool things about this steamer is that it actually folds for storage. That is super convenient. This here is your water font. So all you have to do is pull back this little tab right here to put the water in, just like that. Once you have that done, we're gonna open this up just like this. Right here on the container is an arrow, and right here on the steamer is a lock. So what you have to do is line those two up, and then it just twists nice and easy. Weight-wise, this weighs about 1.6 pounds, so it's not too heavy. It'll be a little bit heavier with the water in it, but that's okay. And it comes with a cord. Now, the cord has a cord keeper, so let's undo that and see how long the cord actually is. The cord length of this is 8 feet. That is a big long stretch, which means I can plug this into the outlet and not feel like I can't actually get to where I have to steam. I've definitely got enough cord length to use this conveniently and easily. You've got some good distance in it, so I'm impressed by that. This has 1,000 watts of power, and it's going to heat up in 30 seconds according to the specifics. So this is directly rated for the US and Canada. It's got this kind of a plug that goes right into a 120 volt outlet, but you can purchase an adapter, and this can be used with a 220 volt adapter plugged into a 220 volt outlet. So you can use this for travel in Europe as well. Now, my initial thoughts about it upon opening it, I love the long cord. I love the easy access to put the water in and out. And I love that it stores and folds flat. Like, this isn't going to take up any space in my luggage when I'm traveling with it. And I like that. The steam comes out through here, and the surface of this is actually an iron. So yes, you're projecting steam on it, but you can actually have contact with the material and iron it this way. Now, please don't do that if it's plugged in. It would hurt. The water tank here is just over 5 ounces, so you can get a good 20 minutes of steaming out of it. Now, the other thing I love is that this is a steamer that can be used at any angle. I can use it upright and I can use it flat. So I can either hang something and steam it this way, or I can put it flat and steam it this way. So this is really a combination of steamer and iron because it does have the iron surface. So this is a super versatile little tool. I'm really curious to see how it works. I'm definitely going to put this into action. My overall impression from this little Beautural travel steamer is I really like it. I like the weight. I like the compact nature of it, that it's going to fold to travel well. I love the length of the cord. I love the fact that it will work in 220 volts with an adapter, but it is standard fit for the US and Canada. And the size and weight and flexibility of use for this is actually pretty awesome. So definitely, I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.